Hello, thanks for stopping by. So in this tutorial, we'll be using our ruler, tape, and marker, and our French curve. So first thing we're going to do is to rule off our borderline. And before we do that, we'll mark out 1 inch. Mark out 1 inch, then rule off your borderline, like I'm doing. So now the next thing to do is to impute our vertical measurement. That's our waist to hip. Now our waist to hip is 9, and I'm adding extra ½ inch for joining. Now then to our full length. I'm sorry the air is disturbing what I'm doing. So now our full length is 22. By making it 22.5 plus our hemming allowance, that which is 1.5 inch. That's making it 24. So I'm equally doing that on both sides so that I can get a straight line. So now the next thing we're going to do now is to connect the dotted line. So connect it. The hip line and the full length. Now the next thing we're going to do is to impute our waist measurement. That's our horizontal measurement. So before that, I'll have to put my dart. So that's my bust span. Nipple to nipple is 7 divided by 2. That's 3.5. But I'm making it 4. That's 3.5 plus ½ inch. Then I'm taking it down by 4, and I'm adding ½ inch on both sides. So instead of making it 4 inch, I'm making it 4.5, because that ½ inch is for seaming allowance. So I'm connecting it to the starting point. Then I'm really a straight line to the ½ inch that's on both sides. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to impute my waist measurement. The waist I'm working with is 28. Then 28 divided by 4 is 7. (28 divided by 4 is 7). But what I have now is 3.5. So I'm taking that 3.5 over to the other side. That is, I'm marking out 7 because I took that 3.5 over to the other side and I marked out 7 plus 2 inch allowance. 1 inch is for the dart. When you're going to sew, then the other inch is for 1 inch is for joining. Now the hip, we are working with hip 38. Now hip 38 divided by 4 is 9.5. Then the full length, you minus 2 inch for it to be paying sew. You can as well leave yours like that. Just take down from your hip to your full length. but I'm marking out 2 inch. You can mark out 1 inch. I'm marking out 2 inch because I want it to be pencil. So it depends on how you want to be. You can ask your clients how he or she wants. How she wants her own to be. So I'm marking 1 inch seaming allowance at the hip and at the full length. So now you connect it like I'm doing. So now at the hemming allowance, you just put a slant, so that when you're folding, it's around with the normal body of the dress of the sketch you're making. So now the next thing I'm going to do now is to cut the sketch out. That's the next thing we are going to do. So now you cut. Then for the dart, you can as well notch the dart, or you cut out the dart like I'm doing. So now we are done with the front pattern. And the next thing you're going to cut is the back. Mama, stay there, I'm coming. Next I'm going to cut is the back. So now I'll be taking 1.5 inch. That's for zip allowance. Just take 1.5 or you take 1 inch depending, but I love taking 1.5 inch. Then you connect it with your ruler. Please, this is a new channel. Encourage us by just subscribing to my channel. It's free. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment on my video. Thank you. So the next thing I'm going to do is to place the front pattern. So now I'll trace and cut it out. Maybe I'll just cut it out, just like that. So I'll place my front pattern and I'll cut it out. And you can as well notch your zipper allowance. Just notch it. And then you cut it out. then you have your skate. Then for the opening, I mean the slit, take 6 inches down. The opening of your skate, take 6 inches up, sorry, take 6 inches up for the slit at the back. Just take 6 inches up and you have your skate. This is without band. Then if you want to add band to your skate, you just minus at least 2 inches from your full length. Then cut your normal skate, then you attach the band. That's the only difference between normal skate and skate with band. So that's the only difference. Is either you, for the band, you just minus 2 inch minus 1.5 from your actual full length, or 3 inch, depending on how you want your skate to be, how you want your band to be. So that is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add the dart. So I'm taking 4 inch and 4 inch down. My nipple is, my bust span is 7 plus half inch, that's 4. So I'm taking 4 inch. I'm trying to create my back dart. Now I'll connect it with you. I'll put a straight line and connect it and connect the dots. And you mark half inch on both sides. Then connect with a straight line. The essence of the dart is to make to give you fitting, because without the dart to be having off, to be pushing out. So that's the essence of the dart. Then cut it out. So that is all for my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. The next video I'll be making is how to cut and sew too, and off shoulder bustier tube. So that's the next video I'll be making. Please, in order to watch that video, you have to subscribe. Please subscribe so you get notified when I post the video, and you can watch. Thanks for watching. Bye.